Hey, my name is Martin Plemmel with International Road Dynamics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an iSafe 1 radar feedback sign. In the box, you should have a smaller battery box, as well as the larger box for the iSafe sign itself. Now, the only tools you should need to set this up are either a drill or an impact, as well as just a knife to open up the boxes. So let's get started. So inside the box, standard with your iSafe sign, you're gonna have your security Allen key, as well as the key for the back access panel. A USB stick so that you can download the data that comes from the sign, as well as upload your own custom parameters. You're also gonna have, to mount the sign itself to the pole, some worm gears or screw clamps, which come with a custom hex bit. As well as these metal clamps, these allow the sign to be mounted to just about any pole you can think of. So to mount your sign, you wanna put the mounting clasp through. Our pole's a little bit bigger today, so we're gonna be putting 2 of these worm gears together. And then this first one can be mounted up. I wanna mount it a comfortable height for myself to lift the sign. So for me, that's about here, about chin height. That mounts flat like so. So you want to get your feet kind of on the bottom sides of the box so that when you pull up the sign, the box doesn't come with it. This is the iSafe 1, which has a single display. The setup is exactly the same for the iSafe 2. So if yours has a double display, setup is going to be the exact same. Next stage is mounting, so I'll show you how to mount right up here. So we lift like so, and just slide it on top there. Next, we're going to slide that bottom bracket up, just for the extra security on this. Next, to open up the battery compartment, take your safety hex, and you're going to want to keep this in a safe place. Don't want to lose this. Just open up this battery compartment. So to install the battery, you just take it with the cord side out. Put that into the sign that's installed on the pole. Click that connector together, and the sign will power up. Now on a standard pole, you can access this access panel while the sign is mounted. But to get it clear, we're just doing it on a flat surface. The encoder here allows you to select a speed limit zone, or if you have a custom parameter, or if you want to download data. It's all controlled by this one button. So to switch your mode, you just press this button for kind of 3 to 5 seconds and then let go, and it should blink, which allows you to toggle through to different modes. You don't have to remember what any of these modes are. Everything is referenced on a sheet of paper inside the access panel. Now, if you were working through it with me, that should have taken you under 20 minutes. And now your sign is up and operational, ready to collect traffic data and improve safety for your community.